Nah, ghost. On a serious note, bro. Now I'm mad. I'm mad, brother. Cause like, why would you tell me that you will follow up with the owner of Snicker Kato and revert back to me as soon as possible? I sent you a message, bro, asking for a feedback, and it shows me that you have seen my message 46 minutes ago, but you don't get back to me, bro. Why would you tell me that you'll revert back to me knowing the business is not legitimate? Bro, why would you go on promoting scams? If that's not your business and you have nothing to do with the business, why would you go on promoting scams? Because, tell me why, flip, man. Tell me why I missed this. Tell me why I didn't check the reviews in Hello Peter. For those who don't know what Hello Peter is a South African online review and consumer advocacy platform where people can read and write reviews about business and share their experiences as customers. Let's go ahead and check the reviews, man. I have ordered a pair of sneakers since the first week of November. Till to date, I haven't received them and can't even track them. I have tried to contact them using the number and email given on their website with no luck till to date. What I want is my refund. That's all. Please do not trust them. They are unreachable. I have the same experience, bro. Lindy way, I have the same experience. Okay, anyway, let's keep on reading. Here is other reviews. And check this ones as well. You can read by yourself. And this ones as well. Now, Ghost Luby, why would you tell me that you would revert ASAP? Huh? Why would you tell me that you'll follow up with the owner of Snicker Kato and revert ASAP? But you know the business is not legit. Why? So you are the scammer, bro. You're part of the scamming jiggy. Stop that, brother. Stop it, bro. Stop scamming people.
Bazali bami zitho, welcome to Mkhosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Bazali bami ezinani izizwela uGosihlubi neSneaker Kato, they are in trouble because the guy is claiming that he bought ama-sneakers early December up until today akawatholi ama-sneakers wabo. Guys, khona la le video yenzile on TikTok where he narrate the story ukuthi uqale nini ukuthenga kwenzakalani, but I cannot post that video because of the background music, guys. So the guy uthenga ama-sneaker from Sneaker Kato, but ukuthi azangene ku-Sneaker Kato akagugulanga that Sneaker Kato thing. I-link uyithole from i-page lakaGosihlubi, uye kuGosihlubi wapressa the link, then yammusa ku-Sneaker Kato because ikhona vele that link ku-TikTok kaGosihlubi, even I think ku-YouTube. Uyenze kanjalo wathenga ama-sneakers up until today awakafiki, and unayo yonke i-evidence ukuthi he did pay for ama-sneakers. Makathi uyababuza ukuthi what is happening with my shoes, abamphenduli. Makabuthi uGosihlubi uthi uzobuya kuye up until today abakabuyi. Guys, I did check nami ukuthi kwenzakalani. I saw 2 or 3 people, they were also complaining. Abaningi bathi ama-sneakers afika late. I don't understand why South African influencers, they do not learn from their mistake. But mhlawumbe uGosihlubi won't learn just because vele yena at the time batrenda for i-Russia thing, yena eyakhe account azange izibhene ku-TikTok. Wabhena amakhasi wabozila bosima namamanti eyakhe noKing Oma zange izibhene. So mhlambe yingakho angafundi, because I don't understand why we will continue to promote into eyaziyo ukuthi abantu they are complaining about it. Ukuthi abantu abakezi kuwe ba-complain, but you can see ama-reviews there ukuthi people they are complaining about it. Umuntu ulahlekelwe imali manje, guys, obvious imali ayikabuyi. Uzothi bani? Uzoblame Gosihlubi. I for one bengizoblame Gosihlubi because mina this brand ngiyazi ngayo, this company ngiyazi through you, and wena as an influencer or as a big person in South Africa ngibelieve wena. I don't think ukuthi guy if Sneaker Kato bezi-advertisela nje ingana influencer esebenzisana naye bekazovela athenga amateki wabo ngamane angathenga kubo-Sis Dudu nabo bani laba abagcwele ku-TikTok. I guess uye lapha just because acabanga uGosihlubi won't scam them. Uye lapha thinking ukuthi this company is legit because isebenzisana noGosihlubi, and uGosihlubi anyeke azapromote something enobugebengu. We understand. I don't understand why South African influencers do not learn. I really don't understand, because I believe ukuthi if you get a brand to work with, wena imsebenzi wakho, because lento uzophinde wena uthengise ngathi lento bachashwa ukuthi uthengisele abantu wakho, ama-followers wakho bathachashwa. So wena obvious ama-followers wakho mayebagila lento kuzothiwa wo baskemile. Umsebenzi wakho ukuthi uyenze i-background check. then khani uzoyiletha ebantwini. Obviously uma uzoyiletha ebantwini abantu bazokhala ngayo, even though wena ungathi company akuseyakho, but you are the one who's working for the company and you are the one who's promoting the company. So and mina the link ngithole on your page. You understand? And who spread the word ukuthi this is a legit company. So i-company mangigila kumele ngibuye ukuthi hayibo phela mfethu uthe le nto right mara le nto ayikho right naye ngisebenzeli. I saw abantu abaningi on the comment section they were saying why blame Nkosi because uyasho uSneaker Gatho akuseyakhe. But uguys Sneaker Gatho usazi through Nkosi. We understand? Iyafana le nto yaseRussia. Abosima bazi ngalo muntu lo muntu wazi Russia. So lo muntu eletha abosima to the business. We kumele asho ukuthi no guys into yenza so bona kumele babuze yena abuze the Russian guys. You understand? But bazalwa you can comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.